Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to delete a branch in Bitbucket. It's a quick 7-step process, so let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Bitbucket dashboard and locate the repository where your branch lives. Go ahead and open that repository now. Once you're in the repository, look over to the left side navigation panel and select the Branches option. This will show you all the branches in this repository. You'll see a list of all your branches here. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the branch you'd like to remove. Great! Now click the Actions button that appears right next to your branch name. This will open up a menu with several options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Delete option. Bitbucket will ask you to confirm this action. Click Delete once more to finalize the deletion. Perfect! Your branch has been successfully deleted and will be removed from the repository immediately. That's all there is to it. You now know how to delete branches in Bitbucket whenever you need to clean up your repository. Feel free to run through this guide again anytime.